broker owner, Florida Live Realty, based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down at Lakewood Ranch looking at the Palm Beach model by Cresswind. This is going to be a 55 plus community. This home's going to be 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a 3-car garage. I love the big driveway. Let's go and explore it. Here's your front entry. Single door front entry. Let's go in. Opening up the front door. Okay guys, let's go take a look. So to the right of me, you're gonna have your dedicated office or den. This could be turned into a 4th bedroom if need be. Turning around. Here's gonna be your first dedicated bedroom. This would be towards the front of the property. Here's your closet space. And this does have a full bathroom. Let's go take a look. So here's your full bathroom in here. And you're gonna have a nice walk-in tiled shower. Okay guys, let's keep looking. So now we're leaving your first guest bedroom. We just saw the den of the office. Here's your main living space. Walk towards the back, I'll turn around. So here's your living room. Love the ceiling detail. Here's going to be your kitchen. And then your dedicated dining. Let's walk through your kitchen. Let's keep looking, guys. Another view of your living room. Another guest bedroom. This would be towards the front of the home, the other side. And this one will also have a full bathroom. Here's your closet space. Turning around, another view of the bedroom. You will also have a guest bathroom. So it is a half bath for your guest. And then also down the hall, you will have a full laundry room. With a nice sink, and upper cabinets, plenty of storage in here. Turning around. Let's go explore the owner bedroom and then we will go outside. So here's the owner bedroom. Again, love the ceiling detail. Here is your owner bath. Nice walk-in tiled shower. Turning around. Here is your double vanities. Another view of the tiled shower. And here's your closet. Okay guys, let's go explore outside and that's where we're going to end our tour. And again, my name is Chandler South. I'm the broker owner of Florida Live Realty. If you are looking for new construction in the Lakewood Ranch area, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575. And here's your outdoor entertaining area. I do have the sliders open. So of course it brings the indoor outdoor together, which is really nice. Turning around. Here's your pool. We're going to have a spa and a nice water feature. And here's the back of the home.